Here in UCM Online Education, we are responsible for producing online content for our students. Accessible content is key to delivering learning to as many students as possible. This session is part of a series of workshops to raise accessibility awareness across UCM. The workshop explores the barriers for differently abled learners and will show how these barriers can be removed by adopting good practice.
This session also looks at how we can check our work to ensure that it is accessible. There is an opportunity to demonstrate some of the technologies available to make content inclusive to the widest possible audience. In an attempt to foster empathy and understand assistive technology, participants attempted a simple task on the web, unable to see but with the assistance of the screen reader.
Today's workshop was very, very interesting and gave us a wider insight into the amount of work that goes in the background to develop training material. The blindfold challenge was extremely difficult. With an IT background, I can normally navigate around websites. To do everything via a keyboard and try and percept what the screen was telling me was actually very, very hard.
The session highlighted to me that we need to keep accessibility at the forefront of our minds throughout our platforms. In doing so, we'll be improving the experience for all students.
The session was really interesting. It's really quite challenging to find and navigate a website whilst being blindfolded. By following some simple rules, we can make our material at UCM really accessible so everybody has a chance to learn.
Accessibility is important so that we produce a material that's accessible by all, regardless of disabilities, and that they can get the maximum benefit to hopefully go on and have wonderful careers.